Conditionally modify global variable. I'd like to do something like this, but I get a syntax warning and it doesn't work as expected. How do I get this to work? Passing in true or false modifies the global variable.
You cannot. Within a scope, a specific name refers either to a local variable, or to a non-local, for example global, or from an outer function, variable. Not both. The global var line makes var a global for the entire scope. That's why you get a warning. It doesn't do what you think it does. Just like assignment to a variable makes it local for the entire scope. Edit. Thanks to Vera Desmeralde, we now know it is in fact a syntax error in Python 2. This half of my answer only applies to Python 3 apparently. You should just use a differently named local variable, and in the branch where you want to promote it to a global, set the global and the local variable. Or just don't use globals at all.
The only easy way you can go would be another way, however, could be to abuse the concept of classes and objects to your purposes. But this requires other program parts which use the global name to be changed as well.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.